Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged. We ain't over with, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita. Thank you a lot for stopping by. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be doing an empty apartment tour. Right now I'm just on my way to grab my apartment keys. I'm just going to pick up my cousin first, and then we're going to go get our keys. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm just driving to go pick up Diamond. We're gonna go get our keys today. Diamond is also moving into her new place today. So it was supposed to be, usually it's the first, but we're doing this on the second because of the holidays or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pick up Diamond right now. I'm driving to her place and get her so we can go pick up our keys. Then we're gonna do like a full apartment tours. Like her video is gonna be on her YouTube channel, which I'm gonna link down below. And then I'm gonna record like a whole tour of my new apartment also. So stay tuned for that. So I'm just driving right now, actually. Oh, I like her out. It's open. That's her. We're just gonna pick up our keys. Hi. Oh, okay, so Diamond forgot her camera, so she's just going in to go grab that so we can start leaving. So yeah, this is what I look like right now. Do you guys like my hair? This is just a little quick little natural hairstyle. If you guys like this look, just let me know. I'm gonna film a tutorial on how to get this look. Okay, it's pretty simple, it's easy, but if you guys have if you have questions or you just want to know how to get this style done, just let me know, and then I'm gonna make a video of me getting this done. Okay, but that's what I'm looking like. I'll see you guys to the apartment. Bye bye. Okay, so we're just driving still. I drive real slow. No, actually I'm lying, I drive real fast. You know what, just shut up. Yeah, but we're just driving right now and we're almost there. Hi, hey guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. Come on in. Alright, so first when you come in, you see the kitchen right here. It's so pretty. I feel like over here you don't have to do much to decorate this kitchen because it's already designed. It's like the aesthetic, it already look good, so you don't have to do much with this. But this is what it looks like. It's light gray. It looks white. It might look white in the camera, but it's actually gray, guys. And then the dark gray over here for the countertop. So this is what the kitchen look like. It's so pretty. Alright, so guys, so I just decided to add this clip of the kitchen so you guys can see more details. So this is what it looks like. It looks so clean, it looks so pretty. I feel like you don't have to do much when you're trying to decorate. It's already cute, so all you have to do is probably just add a couple of bar stools and maybe a little bit of touch, but it should be fine. I don't think you need to do much with this. I love it. This is probably one of my favorite part of this apartment. I just love pretty kitchens, and you know, the look of it just bring everything out and makes everything looks nice. So this is what it looks like, guys.
I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a scene now. Like I'm ready to bang. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Where lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged. You ain't know me with me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Give me makeover. Red, but he's angry when I get back. I'm in LA, but they drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, but they
So if you come over here, this is the little desk right here. This is where you put your computers or anything that you want to put over here. You don't have to put computers, it's just me. And then this is a little coat closet right there. And then we're going to start with the second room. This is not the master bedroom. This is 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the second room. This is the bathroom for it. Over here, this is the light. The lighting in here is so nice. I'm gonna do a lot of makeup, I believe. But yeah, it looks good. So if you come through, this is the little. Okay, so this is the walk-in closet walk-through closet for the second bedroom. This is not it's not big, but the size is very decent because I'm not gonna do much with this room. It's just gonna be like maybe for clothes and, you know, makeup room, dress room, whatever you wanna call it. But this is what it looks like. And then when you come out, this is the living room. It's a very tiny, it's a little tiny living room, but it's nice compared to where I came from. Like my first apartment, this is really small, but I like it. It's nice. You can't like, it's easy to decorate. It's easier. This is the laundry room. It's tiny, but it's okay. And this is the master bedroom. This one is a lot bigger because obviously it is the master bedroom. So it looks good, but this is my favorite part of the room, y'all. The walk-in closet. Look at this, y'all. See how big this is? It's huge, guys. It's huge. And I need this space. And this is my bathroom. I wish this was like a top, but it's not. It's like a shower in here. It's not a top, but it's okay. It's pretty or whatever. So that's that. And then we're gonna go outside. See the balcony. Go and there we go. This is a nice space. So this is my view. But yeah, but that's it. I think. All right, so this 2-bedroom 2 baths is 1,046 square feet. Is going for $1,478. This apartment also include clubhouse, which comes with a fitness center, yoga studio, coffee bar, sports stimulator, and then a great outside sitting area, which comes with grill and fireplace that you can just hang out with your friends during the summer, which is so nice. Of course, when you're going to host an event, you're just going to pay a little fee. And with that coffee bar is a plus because you don't have to go drive to the store and get you a cup of coffee when you're on your way to work. You can just pass by at the coffee bar and grab you a cup of coffee and just go to work. But I am going to insert like a clip of what the clubhouse look like so you kind of have a view of what I'm trying to say. Okay, but keep on watching.
I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Really been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. Whenever my neck, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile for getting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you scissors and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down. Y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad.
Okay, so this is a little clip of the clubhouse. Enjoy.
Girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah. What they gon' say now? I'm watching this bitch, I'm up in the scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Where life, now I'm a pretty to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged. Yeah, they know it, yeah, Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo.
So like if you turn it, you keep the ball, you know, pretend like it's going on.
All the way on the other side. No, I ain't inside yet. Yeah.
This is the little fireplace.
The outdoor. Outdoors.
I will hold it though. You just
Yeah.
okay. Don't worry, I don't need you. They got a fireplace, but you know it's obviously winter time, so we're not gonna come out here. It's too cold.
The little section. Turn this off. Got the grill.
Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive.
empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the furnished apartment tour. I'm gonna come in with more videos for the room, bathroom, living room, and everything. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye now.